Okay, cool pachirisu. I was going to say, you are the cutest pachirisu I have ever seen before.
Thank you for calling me super cute.
You are welcome. Oh no, what's happening right now?
Oh no. You have turned into a ceiling fan. Why did this happen?
I don't know why. I can't just move how it is.
It's very sad how this could happen. Maybe I can take you to the studio and see what will happen. How did you? Oh no. What is happening to me? Oh come on. I am turned into a ceiling fan.
Me too.
How did this happen? You must check on the computer.
Alright. Call the pachirisu.
What did you look up?
I just find out about some black pig used magic to turn us into ceiling fans. The whole tower's population has turned into ceiling fans. This is crazy.
Well, that's crazy to say. Is there any way to turn us back to normal?
I don't know. Take the black pig to perform at the rock and learn alphabet circus.
That's a great idea. I will tell Al right now. Team pachirisu, I must get to Alphabet Al as soon as possible.
Ha, ha, I caught you. You are going to be hanged up into the Timon room right now.
No 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 no. I am about to hang up forever. Oh no. I'm at the Timon room.
That's right. I will hang you up right now.
No 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 no, take me down right now. Take me down. Take me down.
I don't care. You will be up forever.
Oh girl. I have been the fan on and the light on for hours, days, weeks, months and years. I will be running like that forever.
Oh no. I have been hanged up. It's your fault, black pig. Take me down.
I don't care. You have to be stayed up forever. Enjoy controlling the fan and the light forever.
No 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 no, take me down right now and turn me back to normal.
I'm out of here right now.
I am normal. I have been hanged up.
Stay as a fan forever.
No 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 no.
I'm turned back to normal. I have been hanged up.
Stay as a fan forever. Think about controlling the fan forever.
Great. Just great. I will be staying as a fan forever.